Halimi banana. It's 12 o'clock noon and it's time for a small andak. As you do on the boat. We're gonna go home. Okay. Cheers. So it's a bit after 5 o'clock and unfortunately the wind completely disappeared, so now we've had to put the engine on. So we're coming up to Malacca. These islands are just outside Malacca, a little bit south of Malacca. So should get to Malacca before it gets dark. So now we're just passing by these little islands, a bit south of Malacca. This is the lighthouse at the outmost little island. Can't remember what the name was. But, and then there in the distance you can see Malacca in the clouds. Yeah. Og I aften så we're gonna have chili con carne. So we got the kidney beans, and we got the black beans, and we got mixed beans, and we got these rusty beans and some peeled tomatoes. So that's for the chili con carne. I forgot to mention here about the chili con carne. We also got fresh capsicum that Among has been cleaning and cutting, and he's also been doing the onions and the garlic and the chili that's gone in here. So I'm sure it's going to be a delicious meal. Almost ready now. How is this for chili con carne? It looks pretty good to me. So hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. So don't say you can't make good food on a boat. Yeah, so it's almost 1 o'clock. We're coming into Admiral Marina in Port Dickson. So we just got rid of the headsail and is preparing to moor the boat up in the marina. So now arrived in Port Dickson last night, 1:30, and now we're on the way to the harbour master's office to start the paperwork. A bump of paper here, the size of a full book that we have to get stamped. So, but nice weather. So it's now 3 hours later and we've been around. We finally managed to find the harbour master and then the customs, and then we walked around Port Dickson to find immigration, which we finally found. And it's taken us about 3 hours to get to where we are now, and then we're just waiting for the last 4. So this is Admiral Marina in Port Dickson. It's a very, very poor marina these days. I think COVID must have pretty much finished it off. This used to be the bar, but it's bloody closed. Nobody here, so we can't even get a drink or a bite to eat. So no good. Look at it. It's all fucking broken, rusted. The whole jetties are falling to bits. Among, he nearly got electrocuted when he tried to put on the water. So it was a short circuit. And they put fishing nets out in the fucking entrance to the marina, so we nearly got caught on the. Oh, we just left Port Dickson Admiral Marina 20 minutes ago. We're now sailing on a lovely Friday afternoon. Look at it, it's beautiful. So heading north toward Panko Island. And the clock is now 3:30. I've just been woken up to get on my watch here, and it's pitch dark out here except for some squid boats. And Christian here, Søren is sitting and having a coffee. So, and we have more. Oh, look at this! What a beautiful morning! Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. Sun is just rising, and there's not much cloud on the sky. And here's Among getting ready for his morning fishing. See if we can catch some fish here. That's just. Panko Island and Lumut just in front of us. We've got a bit over an hour to go. So unfortunately the wind has just died, so now we're motoring. And we just finished our egg and bacon for breakfast, so everybody's happy. So now we are about to arrive in Panko Marina. This is Panko Island over here, and in here we got the mainland, and the marina should be in here somewhere. So we're about to do a 90-degree right turn very shortly, and we get into the. So we are in here in Lumut, in this nice marina. It's actually a nice change from PD. Look at all these boats that are up there in the heart. A lot of boats that are being renovated here. So yeah, so it's very good. So now we're just gonna go and have some food, and now out to get some food. We got some air limau, and what's that you got there, Among?
It's milk.
Milk. Oh, Among is on the milk. Among had a good sleep. He slept 10 hours. Søren and I, on the other hand, we probably not slept very much at all. Now leaving Panko and Lumut. There's the shipyard in Lumut in there, and there's Panko Island. And we're now heading for Langkawi. Unfortunately, we got the wind right at the nose, so we need to motor for a little while, I think. So, but everything looks good. Hey, now about 6:30, and we're shaking the sails out, so we're on the sail now. We're doing 6.5 knots, so we're doing pretty well, and the sun is about to set in the west. Nice weather, nice sail. And here we go, here we got Langkawi out in the front here. That's the first bit of the marine park with these little rocks that we're coming to. So as you can see, it's a bit windy at the moment. We're shifting a bit of water over the foredeck. So yeah. Good morning. It's 8:30, and we are steaming along here. We got over 30 knots of breeze at times, so we're going quite nice and fast. And we got sails reefed in a bit, so we're a little bit more comfortable. So now approaching Langkawi. Still got bloody lots of wind here. 35 knots of wind coming in. So it's going to be interesting how we get the boat moored up in the marina. But we shall see. So at least now we don't have the big waves we had out in the open sea. So flat water. You also have to keep the boat clean. And here's Søren doing his best, sweeping the floors. Yeah. And let's go out on deck where Among is busy cleaning the deck. Very busy. Busy day today.